Welcome to Reshoot 360 Tutorials. Today, we will see the video filter barrel roll. Before starting, select a 360 photo or a 360 video you would like to edit. Now, select the preset video. Select the type of social network you target. For example, select the preset Instagram. Select the video filter barrel roll. You can see a preview of your final video and you can modify some parameters of the filter. The filter has a predefined duration, so you cannot change the duration. Starting camera view defines the view when the video starts. Use the blue button with the round arrow to edit. Slide the screen to move the camera. Use again the blue button to lock the camera. Ending camera view defines the view when the video ends. You can modify it in the same way than starting camera view. You can use the video preview slider to seek in the video preview. Play the video preview by using the play button. You can pause the video preview by clicking again on the screen. Now, you can export the final video by using the button in the top right corner. Your video is saved on your device in the album Reshoot 360. You will find even more options to edit your 360 media with the editor. Thank you for watching and have a good day.